Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete someone else's comment on your Instagram post or reel. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone and we can go to our profile. Okay, and we can select a post that we want to delete the comment on. And for example, I'm going to select this post and I'm going to delete this comments from my Instagram post. We can go to the comment section. Okay, and I'm going to delete this comment. First of all, we can tap and hold on the comment from someone else that we want to delete. We can tap and hold like this until these options appear on our screen, and we can simply tap on delete. Okay, and now the comment has been deleted, and that's how we can delete someone else's comment on our Instagram post or reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.